Hey guys, Terry here. I just posted a video to YouTube, and one of the things that I normally do is add the subscription and the link to some other videos at the end of that video. So I wanted to show how to do that. I know that this video might be short-lived because YouTube seems to keep changing their interface, but I wanted to show you how I do it. So I had just posted some videos, so I'm going to go into my channel, and here's you can go into this to customize your channel, but we're going to go into editing one of the videos. So I'm going to go into YouTube Studio, and then open up the video that I just they have a nice interface here. It's just I feel like every time I go in here they've changed stuff around. So here's my most recent video that I posted, but I like to go over here onto the dashboard, and then I can see my list of videos, and I think the last two I need to make this change on. So I'm going to go into the one I just posted here, and there are different options here. It's funny because there's some options here, and I always forget that the thing that I want to do isn't on here, so I have to you don't have to click there. You just click on the title of your video, and then that takes you directly into that video, and you've got some options in here. This is where you can adjust the description, the thumbnail, what playlist you have it listed on, and then here's the section that I want to see over here is the cards. And actually, cards is where you can put a link to another video, and end screen is what I wanted to show you today. So we drilled down into the video, and now we clicked on end screen. So now on here, it kind of shows a thumbnail here of your video, and what I want to do is click on add element. Now there's several different options here. I always add the subscribe and the playlist. I haven't played with promoting another channel or this link section here, and today this looks like this changed. I'm not familiar with this link option here, but anyways, I use the create or I create the subscribe option and the playlist. So let's do that, and I'll just scroll down here because what's down here on the bottom is showing you the end of your video. So here's the end of your video, and you're going to create these elements down here. And what I like is up here there's a little preview option. So let me click on add element, and I'm adding the subscribe. And I add this option at the bottom of each video because I figure people know how YouTube works and you don't have to ask them to subscribe. I think if you have content that they're interested in and they're using YouTube, they know to subscribe. So I don't actively ask people in my video to subscribe, but I do have this little thing pop up at the end. It's, you know, I guess it's my behind the scenes nice way of asking to subscribe, but to me it's not that big a deal. If you've got content and people search and find it, that's what I'm offering. I don't have to have a lot of subscribers. So what I did was I clicked on add the element, and it says subscribe, and it's got your name or whatever the name of your channel is, and then it defaulted to having it be the whole length here of I don't know if it's 10 seconds, forget how long it is here, but I just want to shorten that because I want that to show for a little bit, and then I want my second one to show for a little bit. So let me add the second element here, which is the video or playlist. And you've got several options here. It can show the most recent upload that you did. Best for the viewer is allowing YouTube then will select from your channel to best suit the viewer. So when people are watching stuff on YouTube, it knows what their interests are based on videos they've watched and the keywords that are on that video. So that's a handy one. I had that one for a long time, but now I've decided that because I have a lot of videos, I want to take people to a certain playlist. If they were watching something, I want them to see the other items under that category. So I click this third option, and then it's got two tabs here. For me, it wasn't quite apparent that you had to click on playlists. So the upload is here. You could certainly click to a certain video, but I want to take them into that playlist, and I've got my videos categorized. So if you were watching something on quilting or Mega Meat or Cricut, I want to take you to the other videos that are in that category. So this video here was on organization. So I'm scrolling down here and finding my organization video. I think you have to double click to pick it. And then what it did was it created that bar here. So when I shorten my subscription bar, I show it, and then I flip over to the list of other videos. Notice that I can have these. I can have them both showing at the same time.
Need to have those things.
Oh, hold on here.
So, hope that helps. Hope it gives you some ideas.
Sorry about that. Okay, so it's got the preview up here.
It's handy to have those things.
That's handy because I want it to see what it's going to look like at the last of this video here. So you can see here my video is 14. Well, my video started out being 13 minutes and 54 seconds long, and now I've added these at the end of it. Well, no. It's saying that it's adding this It's adding this at the 13 minute and 54 second mark. My video is 14 minutes long. So you can see it's just putting it at the tail end of the video. And then, like I said, what I normally do is have the subscribe show for a little bit and then show them the list. So for a few seconds it's going to show the subscribe, and then it's going to show the list. Now, you can place these different places on the screen. So what I want to do is I want to preview this, and I'm going to turn my computer volume off. I want to preview this and see where it shows, because I don't want to overlap something pertinent on the screen. Like when I'm looking at this, I probably could put it down here because you don't need to see my arm showing here. So then I kind of hit preview. I might have the subscribe show on one corner and the list show in another, but usually there's one corner that there's not a lot of important information showing, so I'll put that stuff down in this corner. So let me hit preview and we'll watch it here and we'll just see. So it does look like, you know, most of the stuff that I was talking about was up here on the screen. I've got the subscribe showing here, and then it's going to flip over to be the playlist. So that looks pretty good there. I probably could also put it up here in the corner, but I like it down there on the corner. So once I have those options ready, then I can just say return to, I'm looking to see if there's a save button. I think you just return to the YouTube studio. Oh, no, there must be a save button up here. Where are you, save button? Oh, here it is up at the top. There was a save button. Okay, and now we'll return. Okay, so now at the end of that video, and on this screen you can't really tell that you have an end screen. So what I usually do is check my last couple of videos. So let's do this one again just as a review. I went to my menu over here to get down to my videos, and now I'm here, and then I'm going over in the end screen. Add element, subscribe. It's adding it down here. I shorten it. I usually move, it doesn't want them to overlap very much, so I usually move this blue line over. Add my second element, which is the playlist. And this one was a haul, so I'll add it to the haul video. So now both my elements are there, and I'll hit the preview, see if I'm blocking anything on the screen. So see, when I look at this corner maybe makes a better option for it. Or down here. Gotta let it run, and then you can move them. So I might put the subscribe over here and the list over here. Then you can preview again and watch it. So hopefully that helps you guys. Don't forget to hit the save button, and then you can go up there. I wish graphically it would show back on your list whether you've created these. I usually just check over my last few videos and make sure that I've added this. Hit the save button, return, hit this arrow back here to go back to your list of videos. And like I said, I wish here there was some graphical way that it said that you had created that. But you know, watch your own videos, watch it from your website, and see if it shows properly. So I hope this helps. Thanks, guys.